I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun. But our trails...
Hey y'all, it's Mindy and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a very simple DIY project. We are going to make a flower box for Valentine's Day, and we're going to use a lot of things I already had on hand, like this gold spray paint for one, and the flower box. I already had that. I did purchase the ribbon and the flowers and the hearts. I got all of those from Dollar Tree, and so everything was $1. And then I already had the glue gun. You will need a glue gun for this project, and any kind of box will do. This was one I already had, and it already had the foam pieces in there as well, but you can purchase the foam pieces at Dollar Tree also. And so I'm going to take this moss that I also got from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to cut it down to size and glue it over the foam pieces to create a good, nice looking ground. And then we're going to put the flowers in it and make some rose bouquets for Valentine's Day. So if you enjoy DIY crafts like this, then be sure to keep watching.
Like everything that's bad in life, it's come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's so hard to explain, but the words is the pain when you're breathing out my name.
Okay, first thing you're going to need to do is to cut your roses with wire cutters, and I did try to make those all roughly about the same length, and I chose to remove the leaves because I just wanted the little puff bouquets. And then I glued the moss down, and you see where I just basically measured it, eyeballed it according to the box, and trimmed off the excess and glued that down. And now we are arranging our flowers, and we're going to put the heart picks in, and then we'll do the ribbon last.
Now I'm dying to let you know what I feel is some kind of wonderful, some kind of magical woman. My love's for real. I need to show you right now.
And that is it for this very inexpensive and easy project. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for future videos like this. I hope to have my Valentine's Day Decorate With Me up pretty soon, and you'll be able to see how I use this in my decorations. Thanks again for watching. Bye, y'all.